Good morning. This is the ugly day. The weather is so bad. It's like raining a lot since like 1 a.m. in the morning, and then there is no sun, and it's very windy. Nandito kami sa bangka pa rin kasi ngayon is huling araw namin dito sa bangka. Ito na yung araw na ito turn over namin tong boat. So, samahan nyo kami today. Nakapaglinis na ako ng bangka and kailangan ko pang mag-impake ng konti. Meron pa ako mga i-impake. Napuno ko na siya. Ito yung ito yung dadalhin natin mamaya. And then yan yung kay Mahal. Kailangan kong ilagay dito. Gagamitin natin para just in case mabasa siya ng ulan or mahulog tayo sa tubig, hindi mababasa ang ating mga cellphone. So maganda to siya actually. Like, marami kang malalagay and igaganto mo lang to. Pangit kasi ito ng view. So ganito siya. Lalagyan mo siya ng air and then roll it. Para siya siyang salbabida. See? Hindi siya, mag-float ito siya and then hindi mababasa yung laman sa loob. Like, waterproof siya. Yung itsura sa labas, tingnan nyo. Ito ang ating view. It's super duper windy. Oh my gosh. I hope magtigil siya mamaya para makaalis tayo. Tingnan nyo yan. Basa-basa na dito. Malamig din yung weather pala. Buti na lang, mayroon akong dala-dala ng sweater. Kung hindi, ewan na lang kung anong nangyari sa akin. Two.
No more boat.
I want boat.
Casey doesn't want it.
I love doing boat.
Casey doesn't want it. It
But
works
the
fine.
voice is not. Finally, tumigil na din yung ulan. Gawin natin yung mga wires like this, electronics stuff. I'm going to put this one sa ating waterproof na bag just in case mag-sink yung boat. Then, pura ganito siya. Ang dami mong mailalaman. It's gonna be 11 a.m. in the morning and wala pa siya. So, inaantay siya namin. Sabi niya, darating siya before mag-12. We'll just wait for her and then we'll see what's the next. Para hindi mabasa yung medyas ko. Diba? Ayun, okay siya. I don't want to get wet my socks, so I have to put plastic on. I'm scared on the cold, you know. Try to drive the boat. I'm gonna hit anything. Wait, turn right, turn
Go
right.
towards that town.
It confused me. Like this. I know how to drive like a wheel, but that one, maybe if you lay it down, I can do it. Like real wheel.
It's like this. It's the same.
Oh, okay, so just like this. So maybe easier like this. Wait. Yeah, I'll try to go there.
It's delayed. Whatever you do doesn't have to work immediately.
Oh, there. I did too much. Oh my God.
Well, do something.
Back.
That's what it does.
That's
It's
so
delayed, I
weird.
said.
It's delayed. I did very little. I did super little until it goes there very quick after a while. And then it's so hard to put it back here. It takes a while too until you hit something there before it goes back here. It's hard. Super nice. The sky is very, very clean. Look at the sky. Casey, relax yourself. We're gonna go home later. Ganda ng view. There's a boaters. Only one boat.
How's your boat?
This is another reason why it's so hard to do boating sa weather. Kasi pag yung weather is very bad, you got a lot of challenges gonna happen in a day. Kailangan i-protect mo yung boat mo or else aalunin somewhere or kailangan mo siyang i-anchor sa protected na area. Tapos hindi kayo makaka-travel. You have to wait na mag-calm down yung weather bago kayo ulit makamove. Kaya mahirap din minsan mag-boating. Pero masaya mag-boating. Every day is a challenge.
Sandbar here sticking out.
But it
I
doesn't
thought
have.
that would be a good spot, but it doesn't stick out enough.
Tapos, meron pa kaming dog. So, si Casey, pagka yung si Casey, kailangan niya palaging pupunta ng land. Hindi kami pwedeng ma-stuck sa water. And pag hindi siya namin dinala sa land, panay iyak-iyak niya. Hindi yan siya tumitigil. Hirap sa amin magkaroon ng bangka o mag-travel. Pero pwede naman kami mag-travel ng gamit ng bangka. Katulad dati. Kailangan nga lang palagi kaming nasa land. Or kailangan makaka-anchor kami palagi sa malapit sa land. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya easy.
So a good deal. I got
Tapos
that
na,
boat
oy.
for $5,000.
Palabas
The
na.
whole setup,
Really?
25. I know. Oh, trust me. The guy I bought it from was extremely nice.
Tara, we're leaving. Wala na yung bangka. Andun siya. Ating bangka. Yan na.
My friend who is a muralist from El Salvador, I was telling you about.
Actually,
She's gonna come paint.
We're paying about 20.
oh my gosh. Let's just go on the turtle restaurant. Ang dami namin mga dala-dala. Nag-alsa balutan. Wala na kaming bangka. Tingnan mo ang dala niya. Oh my gosh. Meron pa kami mga ibang gamit pero hindi na namin dinala. So ito lang dinala ko. Yung kaya lang. Sa likod ko, paddleboard. Tapos, kay Alex, ayan, tatlo yung hawak niya. Casey. Magkain kami ng lunch muna. Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Don't remember where I put it. Let's eat. Binilhan kami nung bumili ng bangka ng sandwich. Ang binila niya is turkey and then ham. Hangin-hangin naman. Mag-Uber na lang kami. It's 1 hour, almost 1 hour pauwi ng bahay. So mag-ride na lang kami ng Uber. Kawawa naman siya, oy. Bigat-bigat ng mga dala niya, Jai. You can do it. Meron din ditong bus, but we're not gonna ride a bus.
License.
04.
This is the pin.
Okay. Heavy, heavy. Very heavy. It's fine. No, it's not heavy. Joke. Just kidding. It's not heavy. Well, I mean, you live here in the US. You should know. It's your country. I'm not sure about
Gotta remember the old
How do you do the... It's not heavy. Andiyan na yung Uber natin. I didn't know that was him. Hi.
trunk. No, I didn't. We never did that before.
Yeah, we didn't know.
Okay, it's
more like, you know, the more expensive, but people.
Darating lang namin dito sa bahay and muntik pa kaming hindi makasakay ng Uber kasi yung nabook ko na Uber is hindi siya pet friendly. Marami palang options pag nag-ride ka ng Uber. So meron siyang pet, ano ba tawag dun? Comfort pet ata or something. Kasi pag nag-book ako ng Uber, yun lang yung sa taas lang yung tinitingnan, yung sa taas lang yung tinitingnan ko, tapos nibubook ko na siya right away. Meron palang mga option pag in-scroll mo siya. So, hindi ko siya napansin. And then, nung dumating yung driver ng Uber, nakita niya si Casey and sabi niya, oh my gosh, you have dog. Like, I'm not gonna take you. Sabi niya. Tapos sabi namin, hindi namin alam na may gano'n palang ganon na kailangan ilagay mo na may aso ka. Tapos, so, sabi namin, anong gagawin namin? I-cancel na lang ba yung flight? I-cancel na lang ba yung, yung Uber? Tapos mag-book na lang ulit kami. Tapos sabi niya, okay lang, kasi hindi nga namin alam. Sabi niya, okay lang, tatanggapin niya kasi nga for first time, parang one time, tatanggapin niya kami. So, ayun, pumayag siya. And then, kasi sabi niya, pag nag-book ka ng Uber na may kasama kang dog, is more expensive. So, magbigay na lang ako ng tip para naman okay, kasi mabait naman siya, super. So anyway, tatapusin ko na yung vlog kasi I'm very tired and I'm going to shower and cook food for dinner. So, thank you for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.